involved in or familiar with the industry know that aviation is a growing, fast-changing, and time-saving industry.
Welcome to Nigeria.
Sir, if you go to China, sir.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
Sir, if you go to China, sir.
Will you keep quiet?
Everybody's sweating. This is an international airport. Gate E63. Lai Mohammed Airport, Nigeria.
Sir, if you go to China, sir.
Will you keep quiet?
Oh, come on, look at our airport, it's raining. So poor, man. This is Nigeria airport, man. Oh, bullshit. That is funny, man.
Make una see international airport. I swear they fall. Eh?
Come on, one bill. What you want?
Sir, if you go to China, sir.
Will you keep quiet?
Sir, if you go to China, sir.
Social distancing, folks.
Unfortunately, we have no national policy on social media. We need one. Sir, if you go to China, sir.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
Sir, if you go to China, sir. Sir, if you go to China, sir.
Chai, there is God, oh. There is God, oh. The bloods we are sharing, there is God, oh. There is God, oh. There is God, oh. There is God.
So, Mr. Chairman, sir, the long and short, sir, is that I've said it that we need a policy on national policy on social media. We need also to empower the various ministries, the Ministry of Information, on how to deal with social media. And we need the technology to be able to shut down at will. Social media will become a menace to the country's security.
You be mumu. You think say they wise. You are a mumu man.
The day Nigeria wakes up, Africa will never be the same again.